How do I change my list archives into a threaded forum? LISTSERV 17.0 introduced several new ways to view the list archives. When you first enter the list homepage, the archives are rendered using Classic View. This default mode looks much like an email inbox. You can sort the archives by date, sender, or subject line. The filter row allows you to instantly filter the messages on screen, making it easy to find topics or senders of interest. A second mode is called Forum View. This mode turns the list archives into a threaded format that resembles a message board. The most recent original thread is always displayed at the top, with all of the responses to that thread listed below in chronological order. The threading is based solely on the subject line, so if you want to run your discussion list under Forum View, it's important that new threads always have a unique subject line. Responses to a thread should be indicated as replies in the subject line. All users can switch back and forth between the two modes as they please. If you're logged in, your selection will be saved as part of your personal preferences, so your preferred mode will be in effect the next time you log in. As a list owner, you can override any personal preferences and configure your list to always use a certain mode. To configure your archives to always render using Forum View, click on List Customization under the List Management menu. Then locate the pull-down menu labeled Archive Style. The default value allows individual users to select the mode that they prefer. If you select Forum View, then your list archives will always be displayed like a threaded forum. Thank you for watching.